Hi, this is Reese from CreataCRM, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the drop-down menus in Creata. There's about 5 different ways to do drop-down menus. You've got the field drop-down menus that helps you have drop-down menus for your fields. You've got activity type drop-down menus. You've got clear types and processes and stages for sales opportunities. So let's have a look at the drop-down menus in Creata. So we've got here's my contact in front of me, and what we're going to do is field drop-down menus for the start. To manage drop-down menus, you're in the settings section over here. So if you look at this section over here, you've got all the activity types, which is for activities. You've got the drop-down lists, which are fields, processes and stages, which is sales opportunities. And then you've got something we won't show in this one, which is the products and services, which is for the products and services to create. So let's go through the drop-down list first for fields. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the drop-down list for, let's say, referred by. If you didn't know, you can, for example, right-click here and just to show filter row and type in referred by, which is a referred by drop-down menu. This is the one, referred by. Now just go back a step. One thing you don't do with this section, you don't click in the edit sections over here for the drop-down menus, because what happens if you change this word, we've just hard-coded some of these drop-down menus to the fields, and what's going to happen if you click edit and change this, the drop-down menus will not work. So you click on the line item, and that gives you all the drop-down menus that you have. Now to add an extra one on the list, you click on the drop-down list item. It brings up a dialog box, and we're just going to go ABC as a name of the drop-down menu. Description, that's nice to have. This is a demo. And now the third one is actually the order. That's the order of the drop-down menu. For example, 0 is the highest, and as it goes down the number, the lower it's going to be in the drop-down menu. So 1, 2, and so forth and so forth. So we're going to just do do a 2, which is up the top somewhere. 0 was the highest, and I'm going to save and close that. Now what we've done is done ABC up there, and if I actually click on this and we just edit that, I can move it to something like 5, and it will go down the list. Referred by, and we sort that. There it is. Whoops. Sorry, the sort section over there of all the orders. The section here. And we now, okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the contact screen. We're going to go to the main contact screen and click on the contact, and we're just going to click on the record that I was editing and edit that contact. Right here now, if we just now go to the drop-down menu, and you can see ABC's now in the drop-down menu, in the halfway through, because I put number 5 on it, and you can select it and save it. Okay, the next option we're going to have for the settings is we're going to have activity types. Activity types are displayed in the calendar and activities. As you can see here in the activity types, you've got the names of them and also the colors. The colors will display, and also if you right across here, you've got if it's going to be what color it's going to be. What we're going to do now is we're going to create a new activity type. So that is clicking on the drop-down menu here and choosing activity type. Now the first thing you can do is choose the color of the activity. We're going to go for a tomato color, which looks like a sick tomato. And we're going to say, oh gosh, a online demo. Yeah, that should be it. And next thing we're going to do is click on tick for visible on calendar. That means when you have these activities, they will display in the calendar as well, which is nice to have. Click on Save and Close. The next thing we're going to do is we've got something called clear types. Now, clear types is when you in an activity and you want to clear that type off. So that means is that you can, for example, online demo, a attended demo, and save and close. And you can create another one, activity type, did not attend demo. Okay, great. So now we have created a new activity type and cleared types. So now if we go back to our main contact, and if you didn't know, you can actually click on the new drop-down menu, and when you go quick activity, you now can choose the activity type, which is online demo. And now when you have the drop-down menu, you have the two drop-down menus, which is on the activity types, which attended demo. Simple as that. Save and close. And that's how you can create an activity type and a clear type. Now, the last thing we're going to show is the sales opportunities, which is the process. You can create a process. Now, for this example, we just create an example process. To do that, you can go new process. We'll call it a sales demo process. And we save and close this. You can put descriptions in there. Once you save and process, you've got now stages, and you can go stage, for example, stage 1, save and close. And what I'll probably want to edit that again, and I'm going to put probability is 20%, order 0. Order is again similar to the drop-down list. Where you have the 0 is highest, and 1, 2, and it goes down. Probability is that's connected to percentage, so probability of 20% of the amount. So that, for example, would be if you've got $100, your probability is $20, and that's if you're in sales, you should know what that means. Click another one so it doesn't look so bland, and call it stage 2. Very creative today. And we go to 40%, and this time order 1, which is going down. Save and close. Great. So we're going to just go back to the main contact, and to be honest, there probably was a shortcut back there. If you didn't know, there is some shortcuts along here that you can go, which is your last 4 options, 5 if you count the one that you're on. Okay, so we're going to create a new quick opportunity, and we're going to go straight to the fields where the opportunities are, which is in this section here. There's a process and stage here and here, and we're going to just search for the process. Come back over here, and which one we did, sales demo process. Click on that. And once you do that, it's going to bring in those examples, those 2 examples that we have. So now we click on the drop-down menu, and you got stage 1. And that, again, remember that we've put a probability. The probability displays here. So if I went, oh gosh, estimate amount $100. And I go stage 2. Total weight is $40. If you didn't see that there, this one moves and the total weight's there. It was $40 of 40% of 100 is 40. Okay, so that's how you do drop-down menus in Creator. Hope that's helped. So you've got all the settings along here for the drop-down menus, so you can add obviously activity types to putting things in calendars to various other things. Again, look at other demos online, and this will help you out getting more familiar with Creator. Have a nice day.